Hey guys, Darren here. Welcome to Mayhem Country Living. Hope you guys are doing all right wherever it is that you are. Doing a little bit of practical application. When we had Samantha's final birthday, we invited a whole bunch of people over, and 30 hamburgers and 60 hot dogs was what I grilled right here on this. That's a passel. It's a bunch. Now, I was poorly prepared because I hadn't done this in years. I used pellet grill and gas, but so today it's just me and Shauna now. So we're cooking a big T-bone steak. We're gonna split it and do some potatoes, some onions, and it's just kind of adjusting, and thought I'd bring you guys along. Plus, I have a flamethrower. You want to hang around for the flamethrower. That is how you start a grill. More to come. There we go. So we'll end up splitting it. Do 2 potatoes. Got the onion grilling in there. More time. Now, why would you do this? Well, it's a good skill, and it gives a good flavor and makes you feel like you did something. But it is just a good skill to have. Being able to cook and provide a meal when the situations are kind of hinky. Not talking about zombies or anything like that. I'm talking about power outages. Can you cook when the power's out? That's good. Do you have something to cook when the power's out? That's even better. More to come. Okay guys, now we're back. There we go. And I think it is the way my wife likes it. Let's just cut a piece off. Oh yeah, that's good. Yep, gonna be the way she likes it. She likes it kind of medium, and that's medium to me. We're gonna wrap it up. Why do this? It doesn't really matter when the sun's shining and you got refrigeration and everything. But what you gonna do if the power goes out, if there's a storm? You got a gas grill? That's great. Gas grills are cool. Use it. Cook a meal outside when you don't have to. Anyway, guys, thanks for coming by. Keep learning. Keep testing stuff. And keep building a more self-reliant life. Take care of your people.